Hey y'all, so let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Today I am doing a wash day routine, and I'm also going to do a twist out, and I'm basically storing the products from Pattern Beauty. This is my first time trying the products, and I wanted to do like a little review and demo for you guys. First, I'm just wetting my hair to make sure that the shampoo is going through every strand properly. I am using the hydration shampoo, and the details online state that this is great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your hair needs a nourishing cleanse. Creamy, luxurious, and boosted with a blend of glorious oils. Pattern's hydration shampoo helps curls and coils dance in a wash of liquid sunshine. This gentle, moisturizing formula softly lathers to cleanse your hair and scalp, removing buildup and dirt without stripping away your moisture, which I can totally attest to. I do wash my hair twice. I do like a wash, lather, rinse, and repeat. Just to make sure that my hair is absolutely clean when I'm getting ready to style it, whether it may be to straighten or to do a wash and go or a twist out, whatever it may be. You need to make sure that your hair is absolutely clean, and that's just what I'm doing here, just massaging my scalp. And y'all, wash a day is like a whole day for me. But like when I'm washing my hair, I just feel so like at ease and calm, and it feels so good to just scratch my scalp and get my hair as clean as possible. And y'all, please don't mind, pay no attention to the large boulder on my face. I don't know what happened there or where this pimple came from, but I am disgusted. Like, so as I go in with my second batch of shampoo, I thought I would read y'all some more facts on Pattern's hydration shampoo. It says Pattern skipped harsh surfactants such as SLS or SLES and bathe your hair in a moisture-rich formula with ingredients like aloe, aloe vera juice, coconut oil, and honey. Hair is left healthy and hydrated and ready to be pampered by your favorite Pattern conditioning products. And I will say, as I was washing my hair and looking back at the video, at the footage, my hair definitely looked so much shinier than usual while using any other shampoos that I've used that has had sulfates or any other like co-wash shampoos. And I felt like my hair was actually really clean, which was different for me, but like it felt really good and my hair did not feel stripped. So what they're saying on this details list online is absolutely true. And then as far as fragrance, online it states that Tracy picked this to be clean and not overpowering. Notes are an exotic floral melange of jasmine, bergamot, and sweet sandalwood. And the smell of all these products are literally so clean, so fresh. It almost smells like a salon almost. It's not too fruity, perfumey, which I actually liked, surprisingly. So moving right along to the second step, I am using the conditioner. Now, Pattern Beauty has 3 different conditioners for different hair type and texture, and I am using the heavy conditioner for coilies. Now, as far as the details say online, this is what it states: with a texture like butter, Pattern's heavy conditioner is perfect for coily and tight textures. Creamy, luscious, and invigorating. This formula has coils singing in celebration as it wraps them in serious hydration and the signature Pattern slip for easy detangling and great curl clumping. Pattern boosted with ingredients like avocado oil, shea butter, and safflower oil to keep this conditioner extra rich and nourishing. Great, especially for high porosity hair. Time to coat the strands in a sliver of heaven. This conditioner was probably the thickest conditioner I've ever used in my entire life, but I actually liked it. I used it as like a 5-minute mask for my hair, and then I just rinsed it out with cool water, but it really just made my hair feel amazing. So much so that I was able to detangle it, like finger detangle it right then and there, and not barely have to use a comb when I'm actually detangling it. And then as far as fragrance, it says that the fragrance notes are a sweet floral essence of neroli, rose, and patchouli. And just like the shampoo, the conditioner is very light and airy. It's not overpowering, of course, and still smells like a salon to me, which I actually like. So yeah, I'm used to like high perfumed hair products, but this actually they smell really, really good. Like, seriously, no cap. Now for my third step, I am using Pattern's leave-in conditioner, which is great because it's one product for all different hair types and textures, which apparently this is the holy grail of Pattern's hair care line, period. It says Pattern's leave-in conditioner treats your curls with a refreshing and restorative hair pick-me-up. When you're done washing and want to seal in moisture or further detangle, this lightweight formula is perfect to caress curls and add extra hydration while giving soft curl pattern definition, featuring a blend of heavenly oils and honey. The leave-in is also perfect to seal in moisture before putting hair into protective styles. So yeah, it's actually really, really good as well. And yes, I'm washing my sink for anybody who questioned. So now I'm just quote unquote towel drying my hair. I don't actually use a towel to dry my hair. I use like an old t-shirt. But yeah, now I'm parting my hair because I want to give me a nice little side part, and then I'm about to start going ahead and detangling the hair, twisting and all that good stuff, and using some more of Pattern's really nice products. Pattern also sells a wide tooth comb at Ulta. But it was $15 and I decided to opt out because I already have a ton of wide tooth combs. But I actually may go back and try it, and maybe a better quality for my hair shaft. But yeah, I'll link it down below too, just in case if you guys were wondering. I did decide to get Pattern's shower brush though, because I'm really into detangling brushes, and I'm so freaking glad that I got the brush. The brush is bomb as ever, and you will see my reaction when I brush it through my hair. This brush is bomb. Like, I was shook. I'm not gonna lie, I was shook. And I had went and bought these products without looking at any reviews or reading anything about them. I just, went on a whim and decided to try them. But I needed a hair tool. I felt like my review wouldn't be complete without doing so. So I decided to get the brush, and I'm so happy that I did. It's making me almost want to go get the comb because I feel like it was probably going to be a really nice quality. The brush, I took it out the box, and it was like super heavy, like not cheap at all. Heavy, like weight. I was like, okay. Yes. And then let me go in a little bit more about this brush. Like, online it states that it's a heavyweight yet gentle on hair. Pattern shower brush is like a magic wand for styling happy curls. Built with premium features and a comfortable handle design, this is the best tool for gently detangling and helping curls clump and find each other to get a great definition. Tired of getting hair stuck in your brush? The rubber pad slides out so you can deep clean your brush anytime. I had to do a whole little spiel on this brush. Like, the brush was like the most like top notch. Like, the number one thing in this review from me was the brush. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah. And the products that I used to style my hair was the Pattern styling cream and the gel. So for the styling cream, this basically says for the details, looking like a jar of thick buttercream. The styling cream was in fact thick as ever, but it didn't leave a white residue in my hair like some creams do sometimes. Pattern styling cream provides superior moisture penetration and the ideal oil-rich touchable hold with setting twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and more. Shea butter, cacao oil, and sweet almond oil nourish the hair to promote hair retention while preventing breakage or damage. Curls and styles stay defined in all the versatile looks various hair types can create. Also great for twisting locks. So, you know, she's her. It's a really nice styling cream for sure. So yeah, I really recommend these products. So far everything has been good to me, and all the products is really crazy that they all work together really nicely. So I think Tracy Ellis Ross did a pretty good job, if you ask me. So after the styling cream, I do go in with the Stronghold gel just to be able to hold my curls a little bit longer while I do my twist out so that the style stays longer. So I use this Stronghold gel, but the name doesn't really, you know, it's not a very strong hold as it may say. Like for example, the details say, never damaging or drying, the Pattern Flexible Stronghold Gel provides a long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges, infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and chia seeds to nourish and fortify curls. The gel texture has built-in slip to easily distribute through hair, ideal for a slick look of your choosing and styles that need extra hold. So I thought that this was going to be like a really thick holding gel, or strong holding gel, excuse me, but you know, it really wasn't, but I'm not mad at it though. Like, you know, it was still really good, and I don't like really crazy hold gels on my hair because it will dry my hair out and make it crunchy and flake. So I feel like the gel possibly could have had a different name, you know, maybe medium hold gel, who knows. But the gel overall was still really good. I just, the name just doesn't resonate with the actual product in my opinion. But it was good, you know, overall. I really liked it. And for the sake of me not buying the oil serum that Pattern has, I just used some regular coconut oil to avoid mixing in different products. And Pattern also has Satin Scrunchies, which I love. I sleep in these if I don't have my bonnet, and I'll use like my satin pillowcase. But it was like perfect, and I'll link everything down below for y'all. Now it is the next morning. I've already done my makeup and everything, and I'm about to use a little bit of the coconut oil to help untwist my twist. My hair did get kind of frizzy in the middle of the night, I guess, while I was sleeping. But it's okay, it'll work. And then my hair was not all the way dry, which was kind of annoying as well. But we gonna work through it. We gonna see the finished product. So here is the finished product. My hair was a little bit frizzy in the front, so I just put a braid in it. My hair does fluff out a little bit more and get a little bit more voluminous the longer I have my twist out going on. So I use the Pattern Hydration Mist to kind of spray on some of the frizzy parts of my hair to kind of get it to curl back up and be a little bit more defined. And I used my brush and kind of tucked it back into place, and that actually worked, which is really cool. And then you can use the gel like I use, like on your edges, do your baby hairs. Pattern also does have an edge control, which I'll link down below, as well as all the rest of the products. But yeah, as far as all the products, I really did like them, and I will continue using them. I really am in love with the brush. Like I said, y'all, go try the brush, like it's bomb. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.